Hi guys, Dave Grover, Service Manager here at Lighthouse Harbor Marina. Today we're going to show you how to hook up your trailer properly. I have Chris bringing a truck up here right now to hook up. Also, I'm going to introduce you to him. Thank you.
Sometimes it's easiest if you have two people helping you, but Chris does this all the time, and he's got a backup camera, which is making it easy for him. You want to set your emergency brake on your truck. This is Chris. Chris is our coordination manager. One thing you want to be aware of, you want to make sure you have the right size ball that's going to meet your trailer. I believe this is a 2-inch, Chris?
Yes, sir.
And they could be up to what, a 2 5/8, I believe?
2 5/16.
Or 2 5/16. So, let's see, we're close. Chris is going to do is just going to take it out of the parking brake. It'll roll back a bit and hook right up there. Good, Chris. He put his e-brake back on, set nicely. He's going to continue to let the jack down. Okay, so Chris is going to lock the safety. He's going to stick the pin in there. What that does is ensures that that doesn't come back up. So Chris is going to hook up the safety chains. As you can see, he is crisscrossing them. What that does is if the trailer comes down, it actually sits on the chains instead of hitting the ground. What he did was he hooked up his brake safety right here. What happens is if this does break away from the hitch, that applies the emergency brakes on the trailer. That's his extension where he's going to hook up his power. If the trailer has power brakes, that's where that will come from. That's also for your turn signals and your brake lights.
So basically, that's how you hook up a trailer. If you have any questions or comments, please get with us. You guys met Chris too, so hope you have a great day.